So since last night, having cleaned up Nigel's engine bay, it's not been running quite as it should be. So I suspect that I need to replace my coil packs. Can you hear that? Sounds a bit like a Subaru or an old Volkswagen Beetle, or just something that's completely shagged. Engine management light was flashing at me a minute ago, so it's just hoping I haven't done something really bad to it. I don't think I will like that. Okay, so Nigel drove to work, so Nigel hasn't broken down, but not running right. First thing I shall try is this. Good old WD-40, the fixer of many things, including, today, my car. WD-40 hasn't really made any difference, but luckily I do have a bag of coil packs just there. Right, that's the coil packs changed, and instant result. Exactly as it should be. That's quite a relief, actually. It's amazing how bad they can deteriorate. It's amazing how much they can deteriorate and you not even notice. To be honest, for a little while I've been thinking there's occasionally this slight bit of hesitation as you put your foot down, and been looking at changing the coil packs. So that's about as easy as a job you can get. Yet another tick on Nigel of jobs done that didn't cost me anything. Right, we're up to temperature now, so I can actually give it a bit of a bootful as well. You ready? Ready? There. Nice. 60 miles per hour. Catching up the traffic in front of me, and they're thinking, what's this strange concoction of panels coming towards me at great speed there? Well, it's Nigel, that's who. Right, let's turn around. Right, now I can get on with some proper work. But before I do, let me just give you a couple of stats about Nigel. Let's look at what's been changed so far. So, the front bumper is obviously silver. It never used to be. These inserts there, sprayed in Mediterranean blue and copper leaf red. Also never used to be there. Both the headlamps have been replaced because the old ones were just a bit tired looking. Red bonnet, silver wing, these kind of mini serpent wheels, all with very good tread on, never used to be there. Blue door mirror, black filler cap, Wedgwood blue rear bumper, X-Power grey rear spoiler, and then of course the black driver's door and the streetwise trim. Quite a bit so far then. Inside we have the half leather seats that originally came out of a 5-door, which I have turned into 3-door by taking them apart. This thing here can't really count because it's just turned inside out to look a bit messier than what it used to be. And then we have a leather steering wheel. These door cap things, a cool interior light, air vents also replaced because they were all broken. Same for the heater control module, which was never working originally, and I fixed it so it all works perfectly now. Again, didn't cost me anything. Under the bonnet I have fitted a new alternator, which was the reason that I got this car in the first place. But it wasn't new, it was second hand, and it didn't cost me anything. The same goes for the coil packs I've just fitted, also in stock, so nothing. In fact, the only money I've spent so far has been a thermostat at £13. So add that to the 3 MOTs plus the cost of buying the car 3 times, and then add that up but deduct the profit. And I've already done that, and I've worked out that this car, with the 5,000 miles I've driven it, has cost me minus £290. Beat that.